You might have a setup where you want to highlight a product whenever it's chosen on the screen. It works like this. The customer picks a product on the iPad. The information goes through the Butler into our CMS, and then it communicates with all kind of IoT devices. In this case, we're using several light bulbs. You could also measure temperature and have content according to the temperature. For example, you have temperature between 10 degrees and you have a pharmacy, then you show the cold medicine. If you have temperature above 25, you show sun protection. Maybe you would welcome your visitors as they enter the store. This can easily be done with our motion sensors right here. They can detect any movement, and this way content can change as soon as someone walks in.